Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use KwaiCut templates to create amazing videos quickly and easily. Whether you're making content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram or Facebook, this tutorial will make video editing super simple and fun. We'll go step by step, from choosing a template to adding your own photos and music and finally exporting your finished video ready to share online. Now, a few things to keep in mind. KwaiCut templates work best with images. If you try to use full videos, it can be very slow and may even hang sometimes. Text and effects customization is not available in these templates. You can only add your media, and the template will handle the rest. So, if you've ever wondered how creators make trending videos so fast, stay tuned, because by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to do it yourself. First, open the KwaiCut app. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the Templates button. Just tap on it to get started. Here, templates are categorized under different names like Recent, For You, Lyrics, Delicious, and more. First, you need to find the template you want to use. I've selected Sintahilang for this tutorial. At the bottom of your selected template, you'll see the Use Template button. Just tap on it to get started. For this template, I can add up to 3 images. Now it's time to add your images to the template. I've added 3 images. Once your images are added, tap on the Done button. And that's it. Now you can see the preview of your video. From here, you can also adjust the image positions or replace any image if needed. To edit or replace any image, simply tap on the Edit button of that particular image. Here, you can replace the image or adjust its position. In this template, there isn't much to edit, but I'll show you how it works in another template. Let's change the default music. From the music section, you can easily replace the default track. Just tap on the music library. Here, you'll find a large collection of tracks. Browse through and find the one that best suits your video. Then tap on the Use button to apply it. And that's it. Your default music is now replaced with the one you selected. You can also include your own music or audio tracks. Go to the music library and select Import. From local audio, you can choose any music or audio file from your device. You can also adjust the volume of your audio. Simply tap on the Adjust button and increase or decrease the volume according to your needs. And that's it. This is how you change the music settings. Once you're satisfied, tap on the Done button. Here, you'll see 2 options. 1. Download. 2. Export without watermark and share. You can choose either option. The video, whether downloaded or exported, will be saved to your gallery. Let's try another template and create an amazing photo album with KwaiCut in just a few seconds. First, select the template called Valentine's Day Snapchat. Tap on Use Template. This template allows you to add up to 6 photos. Now go ahead and add your photos to the template. Once you've added them, tap on the Done button. And that's it. Your amazing photo album is ready. If you want to adjust any image position, here's how. Simply tap on the edit icon of the image you want to adjust. Then, by dragging and dropping, you can easily fix the image position. So now, you've seen just how quick and simple it is to create videos and photo albums using KwaiCut templates. Yes, there are a few limitations, like it works best with images and doesn't allow advanced editing. But overall, it's a very helpful tool, especially if you want to make YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok videos in minutes. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss my upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.